What's happening, guys? We're gonna review real quick the Macys trade here, although yeah, there's no trade on Macys. So I haven't taken a trade on Macys today yet. We're gonna review the move out of the gates here today. I was watching a couple of different spots on the daily here. We're trending under this trend line, as you notice here, 512 right here towards the 450. I was looking for the move down there, and he had a quick flush right out of the gates. I didn't take the trade, to be honest. I have to be totally honest with you on this quick flush here to the low of 499. So that was just a 12-cent move. The reason why I didn't do that is because Macys is somewhat a slow trader, right? So I didn't really feel comfortable putting an order and then babysitting it, because Macys trends really slow. So I was looking at other names, for example, JetBlue. JetBlue was my first idea today from the pre-market. I was looking at this range here when it moved up. I was looking for this to hold a 46 based on this 846 range here to the 721. I was looking for it to hold, and on the pre-market hours it ramped up and it started to flag around here. You can notice here the last candle towards the 50 simple moving average on the 15. I was looking for this range here, right, to get inside of this pocket, but it held, and as you notice here, started to come up in the pre-market hours, and I missed the first 5-minute candle when it flushed. But to be honest with you, it wasn't such a big thing. Right here it just went to 834 from 846, so it's like 12-cent move, same thing as Macys, and then it came up. See, I mean, and I decided I was gonna let it go because it's the same thing. Everything started to bounce, and I didn't really feel comfortable enough to send an order. Then we pop BNTX. I saw it when it was dropping around this area, the first candle here, when it was the low right here of 43.50. Because it's a small account challenge that I'm doing now, I didn't have enough buying power to try to trade this thing with a decent size to be able to manage and make a couple of decent bucks, right? So I let it go. I posted it on Discord and also on the live stream, and I just let it go. It's very unfortunate that I did, and then I revised it later to try to get whatever I can. I was thinking, because it was just moving decently, and this is a high price name. It can move $1 to $2 in a couple of minutes, and that actually makes a difference depending on the amount of shares that you're holding, but it makes a difference. So the first candle here, you can notice here the first, then afterwards of the drop here inside of this, we have a small pullback, micro bounce right there on that 1-minute candle, and then it flushed down. I missed this entry, and then I posted while I was coming down, because I went to try to find some shares to short and there was none available. So I posted on Discord that for those of you that didn't have shares to short this thing, could have been a decent bounce trade. I'm gonna try to put the picture here on about the Discord that I posted there. And on this hammer here, if you look at it now, from the low here of 39.80, 32.47, right now 42.20, so 42.37 here, 42.20 here. Decent bounce from that low there. I posted it, but I didn't take any trade there. I revised afterwards MGM as well. On MGM, I was looking for the prior low on that 15-minute time frame here, being $12.88. It came down and flushed down, but I had a call and I got a little entertained with a couple of text messages and a couple of things that I was doing, and I missed that, but glad I did, because it didn't flush down as I expected. And one of the things that I did mention, it was that we were a little bit too close to the midday and I didn't want to hold through midday. So that's another thing that didn't really work out, and the reason why I decided that I didn't want to hold any positions through midday. LB brands too, or LL brands. On this name, here in this name, I was looking to this range 1181. If you notice here, I posted 1181, looking for the low here of this candle coming towards that area 1181. It bounced right off and he was holding this 100, the 50, pardon me, 50. I was looking for a retest of these areas down here, but when he was holding, we had this hammer, and I was trying to send an order here for a retest of that area 1181, and we have under the 1181, if you notice here, we have a 1155 under that, a nice range to 1011. So those are areas that I was looking for, but I was a little hesitant because I didn't feel too comfortable. It was close to midday. We printed this hammer on the 1 minute on top of the 1204, and he held. He came right back up this 50 simple moving average on the 1, and then decided to pull back around here, but it's just trading sideways around the 1204. So basically I'm ending the day with no trade right now. As of right now, I might come back and maybe take a trade in the afternoon, but as of right now, there is no trade that I've taken. So today it's been a good day because I received very good news, but as of right now, I haven't taken any trades, right? So that's okay. Check the afternoon if there's anything that towards 2:30 and towards the close that we might be able to revise and come back and see if there's anything moving. We checked a bunch of different stocks: Key, CARR, APT, Nugget, APA, OXY, a lot of things. OXY really. OXY at the beginning of the day today gave us this quick flush. If you look at the 15 minutes out of the gates, it was coming down, trending between 1243 and 1151. Look at this flush. Quick drop on this 1 minute. Went down right around the open at 1203, open at 1201, and I had a quick flush to 1151 for a quick 50-cent move. Short sell restriction right now imposed on this one, and then it printed this 5-minute candle right here, this pennant on the 5, low $12 again, and went down to 1191, which is not really good thing. It had a breakdown and then it reversed right back up. So but right out on the open, it had a nice flush, but I was paying attention to Macys and JetBlue out of the gate, so I actually did miss this quick flush on OXY right out of the gate. Anyway, just wanted to bring you this, and want to tell you I'm gonna keep an eye on LB for quick flush under 1204, see what else it does in the afternoon. For now, I'm gonna cut this video, and I will see you guys later. Take care.